First time driving the M5.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Posted, and we back in this thing, man. It's been a while, and that's my apologies for that. You know, life happens, got caught up in a lot of things. A lot of things have been happening in my life, so I had to take some time just to slow it down and get it right. You know, you can't rush perfection, so we ain't gonna try to do that. We ain't reinventing the wheel. We're just gonna get back behind the wheel. So here we are, back in the M3, on my way home from work. And yeah, I'm about to hop on the highway, as you can probably hear. I'm about to go ahead and put her through her paces. Well, maybe not, because there's a Lexus in front of me. But anyway, I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you know things are going well. Just got caught up in a few things that has taken a lot of my time away, especially starting a new position at my job. So that's taken a lot from me. But here, within the next little bit, I plan on trying to get back to, you know, full beans and get some videos rolling again. I just started getting active on Instagram again. So we're gonna get that content back going for you guys. I know you like that wheel that I got put in here. So we're gonna do some more videos on that. We're gonna have some more videos coming to the Beemer Fam channel as well. We got some things me and Eric have been talking about. But yeah, you know, so while I've been gone from here, I have hosted a car convoy event for the Libertarian Party candidate for president, Jorgensen, which was awesome. I got to get interviewed by Fox News and be on Fox News with that.
For you. Fox 2 News at 6 starts now.
And sticking with politics, she is on the November ballot in all 50 states, but you may not have heard of her unless you watch a lot of C-SPAN. Dr. Jo Jorgensen is not part of the upcoming debates, and some folks want to change that. Jorgensen represents the Libertarian Party and says that she supports freedom for all people and limited government intervention in American lives. Well, today, her supporters gathered in Royal Oak for a car convoy protest as part of a nationwide event being dubbed Let Her Speak Convoy. Supporters want Jorgensen Jorgensen to be allowed to debate with Trump and Biden.
We have to reach a 15% threshold in polls across 5 different polls nationally, and that's a little difficult when your name's not even mentioned in the poll. So today we want to just come out and demonstrate our support for her and bring forth the message to people who may not know that there is a viable third option. She is a doctor of psychology. She's worth listening to.
And Dr. Jo Jorgensen is a professor at Clemson, and she's in the School of Psychology, as you just heard. You can learn more about her at her website, jo20.com.
So that's been pretty cool. Been doing things with protesting for Black Lives Matter.
Yeah, I also stopped in Royal Oak, where police were passing out water, talking to protesters, trying to send a message that they support them. This was the scene in Royal Oak.
But yeah, I've just had a lot up in the air, especially at home too. We just got a lot of things going on, a lot of things in the works. So we're gonna keep you guys in the loop. I'll do my best to keep you updated on everything. I can't promise that I'll be fully updated on everything since, you know, life happens, like I said. So, you know, I love you guys. Don't think I forgot about you. I have one question to ask you guys. While I've been gone, what have I missed noteworthy from you guys? Drop it in the comment section. I miss being on here all the time and getting updates from a lot of you. You guys are my family, so let me know what I've missed on you guys. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. If you ever want to message me, Instagram is probably the best way to get a hold of me, at posted_M3. I don't always check my Instagram DMs. I am not great at checking DMs, I will admit. But if you are asking me a question, if you want to holler at me, if you want to get in touch with me, that's probably the best way to do it. And I do miss chatting with a lot of y'all, like I said. So please, feel free, hit me up. Let me know what's going on with you. For those of y'all who are asking, the M3 is running perfectly great. Nothing wrong with her. You know, we got the tires changed a few months back. We got the LED wheel installed a few months back. I did all the carbon install a few months back. But really the only thing I need right now is I'm overdue for an oil change by date. I've only really driven, I think, sadly, about 1,000 miles this summer. I've just been out of town almost every week. So that's kind of disappointing for me. I really wanted to drive her more this summer. But that being said, I've really not put any miles on her this summer. So I do need a oil change by date. But other than that, everything else is up to date. Everything else is crispy clean, ready to go. And oh my goodness, we got cops blocking the road up here, cuz. So it looks like I gotta get over. Oh, maybe not. Dude, I don't know what's going on. We got a cop over here in the right lane. We got a cop in the left lane. We got people stopping who are not stopped by cops. This is like a clusterfuck, bruh. I mean, come on. Man, they tripping over here, man. I gotta put my car in silent mode going past these smokes, man. Shoot. Let me get over though. Like, this is ridiculous. I guess I have another question for you guys. Does anybody have a good way to keep my LED power wire, I should say my LED steering wheel power wire from coiling up inside the steering wheel? I've tried taping it down a couple of different ways and looping it through the steering column a couple different ways, but both ways has eventually led to the wire coiling around the steering wheel and pulling the two power connectors apart so that it disconnects. I was wondering if any of you guys are more familiar with wiring and wiring techniques, and somebody could give me a tip on how to stop that from happening. Because as of right now, that just happened again. So I will have to get back under the dash and get the wire down and reconnect it, which is not a huge issue, but it happens after every maybe 5 to 10 drives. that I have to redo it, so it's kind of annoying in terms of that aspect. Obviously I'm grateful that the wheel works and that, you know, it's just that little bit of a problem. But if we can figure out a way to wire it so that it doesn't come undone, that'd be wonderful. If someone could drop me a little hint on that. So this video is just quick and meant to be an update to get things back on the roll, give you guys a little bit of a idea of things that's been happening in my life and what the plans are. So please, if you like this, please drop a thumbs up, share any of the content out on my page that you guys like, and we're gonna go ahead and get this mug back going, bopping, ready to strike, and yeah.